Ibis Paint Draw Car Structure Tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start your Ibis Paint application and open My Gallery to the process. Select the plus logo on the top menu, then pick your canvas size. To draw a car, draw the car casing as the. Set your brush texture, and then adjust the thickness using the slider so your lines are clear. Go to Shape Tools, then choose Polyline to help guide your structure. Draw the car bottom panel using your brush. Then, following the panel, draw the front panel by left-clicking on your preferred spot. Continue by drawing the hood, adjusting the angle and position using your car looks reference. Next, draw the windshield, followed by drawing the hood panel for added structure. Draw the rear window, then draw the rear panel until you return to your first dot to complete the casing. After your car casing is ready, add a blank layer to start drawing the components. Using your reference, draw the window, and you can change the polyline shape into a Bezier curve to make the window more curvy. Left-click on your starting position, then follow your reference of car windows carefully. When the window is done, add another blank layer again for the door and lamps. Using the same steps, continue with either Bezier curve or polyline tools. Move to the front side and draw the headlamp. Then go to the rear side and draw the rear lamp. Now to draw the tire, change your shape into a circle shape and adjust the thickness to a thicker line to form the tires. Select the exact spot, then drag your pointer to shape the tires and repeat for the other tires. Next, start coloring your car by changing your tool into the magic wand and selecting the car casing by left-clicking inside it. Add a blank layer at the bottom order. Choose the car color, then begin coloring the casing. After you finish coloring, click Remove Selection. Then move to coloring the other components like windows, tires, and lamps using the same steps. To avoid unnecessary editing, always use a new layer when coloring. Finish by erasing unnecessary lines and refining details using layers and brushes. When complete, go to the Export option, choose Save Image, and click OK to save your image.